crime is on the rise everywhere in the world, and sometimes not even the place that you are supposed to be the safest. Your home is truly protected. However, with new and modern technology, you can protect both your home and your family. You can either get a dedicated smart security system set up, or even buy individual standalone devices which nevertheless get the job done. To help you out, we have gone through the thousands of options available whilst considering security options, and have provided here 10 of the best available based on optimal functioning and affordability. So, without wasting any more time, let me show you some of the coolest inventions made to protect you at home. One of the best security measures that you can get for your home is a security camera. Often, its very presence is enough to scare off any would-be burglars. In this field, Wyze Cam is one of the best. It is a wired camera that can function both in indoor as well as outdoor settings, considering its water and weather resistance. Moreover, this security camera, unlike some others, is fully operational in the dark. It's capable of both motion and sound detection, sending a signal to your phone when it detects them. Additionally, it also hosts a two-way radio, allowing you to communicate with anyone in the door without having to physically travel there. Trust me when I say that $70 is a very good price for an item of this caliber, but perhaps you are looking for a more wireless option. If that's the case, then we have just the thing for you. Wireless cameras are usually a bit more inconspicuous than their wired cousins. This is an idea embodied by the Arlo Pro 4. It is a top-of-the-line wireless camera with a 160-degree diagonal viewing angle lens that allows you to view who is outside your home in 2K HDR to get a clear image, even in the darkest night. The Arlo 4 has an integrated spotlight. You can easily connect the camera to your smartphone to receive notifications regarding who or what is approaching your home, thus giving you time to take appropriate actions. Additionally, the camera also has the capability of two-way communication. Considering its utility, one can understand why it has a price tag of $489. The point comes to mind that a person isn't always available to observe the feed from a camera. What to do then? In this, our next product can help. This device functions exactly as its name implies. As soon as a door or window is opened, it lets out a 120 decibel sound that is capable of waking you up, no matter how deep of a sleeper you are. It can even be useful in ensuring that your child doesn't try to get into places where he isn't supposed to. It comes with 4 easy-to-use settings. The device is wireless and has no difficult setup process. Moreover, it is battery-operated and even informs you through LED when the batteries need to be changed. You can easily buy a 4-pack of these for the low price of $21. Aside from cameras, door locks are the traditional method of securing your home, and in recent years, even they have been improved. It would be the greatest of mistakes to mistake this as a simple lock. This door lock mechanism is made of hardened aluminium and can withstand an astonishing 800 pounds of force. Any attacker who wants to break down your door is more likely to break his own leg or distend his shoulder. The door lock is easy to install, with only 3 screws needing to be tightened. Additionally, the lock mechanism has spring-loaded design that ensures that no one can tamper with the lock. This also makes it child-friendly. You can guarantee your safety as well as that of your families with this mechanism for the low price of $16. Not all locks are alike. Some are a bit better than others. I'm sure you'll agree with the sentiment after you finish reviewing the next product. New and advanced technologies are being created every day that make the previous method of doing things obsolete. Same is the case with the realm of home security. Here, I am referring to door locks, or specifically, our keyless door lock. Yes, you heard, that's a keyless lock. The keyless lock mechanism utilizes a numeric code rather than an easily misplaced or stolen key to open. You can feed up to 6 different passcodes into the system, giving you the ability to remove codes at leisure. Additionally, the system is battery operated and requires 4 double-A batteries to function. You can get the door lock mechanism for just $62. If you want to go the extra mile when buying a door lock mechanism, then may we suggest this next technology. This is the very pinnacle of technology. For the price of $249, you can get a locking mechanism that recognizes your fingerprint and only then lets you enter. Additionally, the lock has a numeric passcode as well. The catch, however, is that the numbers in the display change their position, meaning that no one can guess your password as you are inputting it. You can also manage your door access through your smartphone. Of course, in case of emergencies, a physical key is also provided. Assuredly, as far as locks go, this is certainly one of the best. If you are looking for something a bit more compact than a door lock, then perhaps our next product is for you. For all those who can't afford or maintain a security camera, and don't trust in a single block, the security bar is here to help you. The bar is made heavy duty. That ensures that no one can open the door from the outside once you have secured it. Not to worry. The ends of the bar are made rarer to not damage your floor. The bar works in either circumstance. Whether you have a hinge door or a hinge ding one, the device can extend up to 1 meter to ensure that, regardless of the size of your door, your house remains protected. Moreover, it is foldable, allowing for convenient storage and transport. It is extremely economical with a price tag of just $26. Some might think that this is a bit too low tech. Tech guys might change their minds with our next product. Our homes do not face only the threat of burglars. In today's modern era where electronics clutter our homes, any one of them can malfunction or short-circuit, causing a disaster. The threat of that is removed with the Renagi screen panel. It acts as the control center for all the various gadgets of your house. It allows you to monitor all the electronics connected to it in real time, get real-time performance reviews, and even tells you whether a device needs its battery changed. How crazy is that? Moreover, its app version even allows you to access its capabilities via your smartphone. A smartphone can view how everything in your home is functioning, regardless of wherever you may be. Thus, we can understand why its creators demand $258 for it. The next item on our list comes right of a spy thriller film, like James Bond or Tom Cruise. Let me tell you what it is. Most of us usually want privacy at home, and with cameras around you 24/7, it can start to feel like a prison. Well, not to worry, instead of a security camera, you can use a motion detector. A motion detector, once activated, senses any motion and sounds an alarm. The Innerlight's motion detector is a ceiling mount and senses movement in a full 360 degrees. The detector passive infrared as well as per motion sensor technology is working in it. Moreover, it also works on a low voltage, meaning that it is extremely light on your electricity bill. You can get this piece of technology for the low price of $32. Instead of standalone devices, maybe you're looking for something a bit more comprehensive. Well, in that case, this is surely the item for you. The D1D9 burglar alarm system is a comprehensive security mechanism, consisting of over 24 pieces such as motion detectors, remote controllers, door contact, power supply, and a wired siren. If it detects a burglar through its detectors, it would sound the alarm. This would either scare the intruder or provide you the time to call for help from the relevant authorities. This system has an inbuilt battery, meaning it would work even if the power goes out. You can even store up to 6 contact numbers in the systems of the alarm. And in case of an invasion, the system will call all of these numbers automatically. As if that weren't enough, you can even use the main unit of the system as a telephone. You can get this alarm system and its various accessories for a little over $200. So, there you go. Those were the 10 awesome gadgets to protect you at home. Tell us in the comments, which one are you planning to install first? And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Tech Inc. Also, while you're at it, why not check out some of these other videos that we think you'll love. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.